Hey there, and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Casey, one of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we're taking a classic Vietnamese sandwich and turning it into a meatball dish with our Banh Mi Meatballs. Banh Mi is, like I said, a Vietnamese sandwich. Banh Mi is actually the term for bread in Vietnamese, so we're taking all of those really great flavors and turning it into our meatball dish. To get started with this, I've already started with pickling some red onion. So I've mixed rice vinegar, water, salt, and sugar, and added some thinly sliced red onion, and that's been sitting for about an hour. That'll add some really great flavor to this dish. So over here, I've started with our meatballs. I've just taken a package of frozen meatballs and started browning them over about medium heat. So these are looking nice and browned right now. So I'm going to get started then on the sauce that we'll add to the meatballs. This sauce consists of some sweet chili sauce. We have some teriyaki sauce. We have a low sodium teriyaki sauce that we're using today. And some fish sauce. The fish sauce adds a really great flavor to these Asian dishes. You can definitely use like a soy sauce or something instead if you would prefer not to use the fish. But it adds, like I said, a really great flavor. So I'm just whisking this together. And then I'm going to add it to our meatballs. I'm going to try to kind of coat the meatballs. Make sure to get all that flavor in there. So then I'm just going to cover this and let the meatballs cook for about 10 minutes or really just until everything is nice and warmed through. Okay, everything is warmed. That sauce got nice and thick and really coated the meatballs well, so I think our meatballs are done cooking. So I'm just going to turn the heat off, and to this I'm going to add some matchstick carrots, some sliced jalapeno, and some chopped cilantro, a lot of it. So if you are a person who does not enjoy cilantro, you can definitely omit that. And I'm just going to mix these together so everything's nice and incorporated. Again, these are all of those really flavorful flavors that we get with banh mi. Okay. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. So we can go ahead and dish this up. This is something that you could serve as an appetizer with toothpicks or something like that. You could also serve this as a meal, just over some rice. That would be a very good meal. But either way, a really great dish. You can also use whatever kind of meatball you prefer. So today we're using kind of a blend of beef, chicken, and pork, but you could use, if you would prefer, turkey meatballs, if you would prefer more of a plant-based meatball. Anything would really work with all of these flavors that we have going on. All right. So then to garnish our banh mi meatballs, I'm going to add those red onions that we pickled from earlier. I'm going to add a healthy portion because I really love these. These pickled onions are actually the same pickled onions that you can find in another recipe that we have, our banh mi burger. Another really great one to check out if you enjoy these flavors. And then I'm going to add some chopped mint. Really adds a nice fresh flavor to that. And then just some lime wedges for some of that tartness. And we have our banh mi meatballs. So we hope you enjoy these flavors of banh mi. And for more recipes and resources from your Mealtime Mentors, visit fastfoods.com.